Bull moose is the name for a male moose, which is the largest species of deer in the world. Moose belong to the deer family Cervidae and are known for their large size and distinctive antlers. Bull moose live in boreal and mixed broadleaf forests. In the United States, bull moose are found in Alaska, Washington, and Maine. In Canada and Europe, bull moose are also quite common. Bull moose are herbivores that eat willow and birch shoots, aquatic plants, and shrubs. Their long legs allow bull moose to walk easily through deep water or snow. Bull moose are generally not aggressive, but can be provoked to attack if stressed, in heat, or protecting their young.